trabaho nila yan. Dumaan ako pagka-presidente. Alam ko ang trabaho. Trabaho is trabaho. Trabaho nila, alam nila. So, best really ito, wala lang pilitan na respetuhan lang. Anyway, kung hindi nila ako patayin, at life is bigla lang sila na naman ang nasa kabila. So what will happen? Alam naman nila ang possibility niya. No? It's just a matter of months actually. Kung manalo si Inday pagka-presidente, saan ito?
Ambi akong bag, May.
May.
Ambi akong bag.
Ubos ito. Kaya kailangan si Tori, trabaho mo nila. Kailangan
Makinig ka lang.
pigilan nila. Hindi na mapigilan si Inday. Tatakbo ng presidente yan. Lalo na ngayon, nag-generate tuloy ng simpatiya. Putang inam. Mag-plus-plus yan. Pag ilang man sila, ibang presidente na naman. Saan ito pupulutin itong mga to? Ang problema, katrabaho lang ito, happen to be.
Ayaw namin.
Ako, naiintindihan ko. Kaya, sinabi ko, this madness has to end. Ano lang kasi is ang procedure kasi, let me be very frank with you. When you are placed under arrest, you have to submit to the person in authority making the arrest. Then, when you are already arrested and maybe detained, then you have to start the machinery of justice role. We go to the Supreme Court. Ako,
Go to the Supreme
dumaan
Court.
ako sa okay na sa akin. Nothing to lose na ako. Nothing to lose. Absolutely nothing. Hindi pa rin ako sabihin mo kulong ng habang buhay. Wala ako. Inciting to sedition.
Hindi inciting to sedition. Inciting to sedition.
Crime against humanity.
Crime against humanity.
ICC.
Kalimutan niyo ulit. Sa Hague.
We are not signatory sa ICC.
That's what they're doing now.
Hindi ako. Yan ako hindi papayag. I am a Filipino. You are all Filipino citizens. Ako, pag nagkasala, you prosecute me in Philippine courts with the Filipino judge, the Filipino prosecutor, at magpakulong ako dito sa bayan ko. Kung sakali.
They're preparing you to bring you to the Hague.
I am sure. I am very sure. I'm a lawyer. Abogado ka man. I am sure the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Maski na hindi tayo maghingi yan, the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Tignan mo. Hindi pa bayad ang Supreme Court. Wala tayo extradition treaty. At saka nang-withdraw na tayo.
Yes.
Bakit mo ako dadalhin doon sa international body na hindi na tayo membro? That's a big question. Kaya nga, mabubuk...
Ipakausap ko lang sa Isipulong. Kausap ko sa inyo. Tsaka
Ito na. Do not need to
That's for the courts to determine, sir.
into
Let's go, sir,
something.
please. As a former president, sir, as a prosecutor,
Kaya nga,
and a highly regarded president, sir, and prosecutor,
let me ask you a direct question. Where are you bringing it?
I'm bringing you to the Hague, sir, the Netherlands.
That's impossible. Magkakaroon. Ano yan?
Please, sir, we have already settled that. The decision has been made. Hindi ho ito. Andiyan naman, sir, ang mga lawyers mo. Nakita naman nila, sir.
Hindi yan eh. It's a decision of...
Apat, sir. I have 4 slots. Sir, you can bring four members of your, including you, sir, 4. We have 4 slots for you.
No. You know, I'm sick. I'm sickly.
May doktor tayo, sir. May dalawang doktor.
80 years old. Hindi lumalabas ng ano ang
Sila.
lamang.
Let him speak.
I'm sickly. You have to determine first if I am fit for travel.
Yes, sir. We're going to ask our doctor now, sir, to examine you. If you will allow us, sir.
Oh,
Ito, sir, ang doktor natin, sir. Colonel Rico.
Asan ang mga gamit mo?
Isang surgeon, sir.
you cannot... Alam mo, ang history ng health ng tao, hindi nakakuha ng
Tingin.
ocular.
Inspection.
You have to go to my doctor.
Hospital muna.
Let him explain.
Tignan mo ang record. Sabihin mo ang gobyerno, titignan mo na yung record. Hindi pwede yung gano'n. Gestapo yan. Alam mo kung gagawin sa'yo yan, hindi ka maligayahan yan. Why bring it to the Hague when may court of first instance na hindi?
We'll do this the hard way, sir.
Doktor niya.
Yung doktor niya, papuntahin nyo, tawagin nyo. Hindi, tawagan ko.
Doktor niya ang kailangan niya.
Diyos ko, anong klase yan? Vital signs lang? Ganyan, ocular ninyo?
Madami siyang sakit. Kailangan niya yung doktor niya.
Mga medicines niya hindi pa ready.
Saka mga gamot ko niya, aalis siya. Alam niyo ba yung...
Maraming ang sakit.
Hindi niya siya pwede kunin na ganyan na kailangan niya ng gamot, kailangan niya doktor, kailangan niya nurse niya.